Oh, they have the sign without the sign. They have the girl, but not the name. Nice. Props are in. No Harley Quinn though. Mechanical room. Still got some ladders and some vehicles on site. Looks ready to ride. Last time I was here last year, the platform wasn't in, just the seats were there. It's looking good. Yeah, I'm guessing around the Memorial Day opening, honestly, because it's not too far off. Landscaping's in, you need a Harley Quinn sign. Couple fences for these poles. And you should be good to go, ready to operate. Give you a better 180 of the situation, since I can only go but so far. They've got AC in there for those hot summer days. Got some landscaping in, a couple Q rails in, station hood similar to Wonder Woman. So this is almost a go. Probably looking for a Memorial Day opening maybe. I don't know. We'll have to check back and see.